Bob Sadino by Novi Regita. Biography. Bambang Mustari Sadino, or better known as Bob Sadino, is one of the inspirational figure, competent figure, and entrepreneur who was born in Tanjung Karang, Lampung on March 9, 1933 from a married couple namely Mr. Sadino and Mrs. Itina Suraputra. The nickname that is usually called from Bob Sadino is Om Bob. Born as the youngest of 5 siblings. Born from a well-to-do family with a father, a teacher and a school principal, who was classified as a civil servant during the dawn of in this era. He did not depend on his family for life, but made him an independent and competent figure. Ensuring that with a background in life that comes from a well-to-do family, Bob Sadino has access to a decent education from elementary school to high school level. In addition, Bob Sadino also received from support from his father's position, who is also a teacher at junior high school and senior high school Tanjung Karang, Lampung. However, at the age of 19, leaving Bob Sadino to leave the entire estate to Bob Sadino. This is because his siblings already has another established and evolved life. Even though he has been trusted by all of his parents' wealth, where Bob Sadino has special privilege, his persistence and never give up to give up cannot be resisted to learn him as a figure who is able to inspire many people. His education achieved was elementary school in 1947 in Yogyakarta, junior high school in 1950 in Jakarta, and high school in 1953 in Jakarta. After he graduated from high school, Bob Sadino life journey began. After graduate from high school, Bob Sadino had time to continue his studies and choose law at the University of Indonesia. But the work of lecturer was not complete until he graduated and Bob Sadino chose to work. Bob Sadino career journey. Starting from the initial step to give up his choice by not continuing in his education in college, when people are completing to get higher education, Bob Sadino has his own idealism to choose not to continue his education in college. Bob Sadino chose his own path, where from most of a person's life journey start from knowledge gained through education and gradually becomes an expert. But this actually made Bob Sadino open and learn a lot of new things. Bob Sadino started his career from scratch. Bob Sadino career path started from the age of 19 years, which had been abandoned by his father. Bob Sadino only had the determination to work independent. Become a Unilever employee. Starting from his decision not to continue his studies, Bob Sadino chose to work as an employee at Unilever for several years before he stopped and worked abroad. Prior to his decision to choose to work abroad, Bob Sadino then made the decision to went to work for himself and left his position as an employee at Unilever in 1955. worked at Jakarta Rail in the Netherlands and Germany. When Bob Sadino lived in his parents' wealth, some of the wealth was used by Bob Sadino to travel the world on stop and settle in Netherlands for 9 years. While living in the Netherlands, Bob Sadino worked for the shipping company Jakarta Leyland and in Amsterdam and in Germany. His life journey in the Netherlands led him to meet his life partner, Sulami Sujud, who was an employee of Bank Indonesia in the United States. Unlock car rental and become a driver. The journey of ups and downs began with Bob Sadino becoming a driver after his life in the Netherlands. In 1967, Bob Sadino with his family returned to Indonesia. By using his salary while working in Europe and using his parents' inheritance, Bob Sadino bought two merchandise cars and started his business by opening a car rental and Bob Sadino himself being the driver. However, life and challenge come to Bob Sadino. Namely, one day Bob Sadino gets an accident that causes his car to be badly damaged. Become a construction worker. Continue from the accident that was encountered by Bob Sadino. The loss he got from his accident made Bob Sadino not have enough capital to repair his car until he decided to become a construction worker. His thought was used to provide for himself and his family wages from the wages he earned at the time were only enough to meet the needs of his family, so Bob Sadino had time to experience life pressure and made him depressed. Domestic chicken and egg business. From the pressure of his life that made him depressed, Bob Sadino colleague Sri Mulyono Herlambang, who is a retired Air Force general who is also one of the pioneers of the broiler business and is known as the founder and leader of the Perhimpunan Peternak Unggas Indonesia atau PPUI, suggests raising chicken until they emerge. Idea to have a chicken farming business. From his ability to learn egg, the type of egg, Bob Sadino managed to sell his chicken eggs to his neighbors in the Kemang area, Jakarta. Most of the warmth of export here. The sale is of course done door to door, of course, with his life experience in Europe. In the process of opening his chicken eggs business, Bob Sadino was accompanied by his wife. In the challenge that come from selling these eggs also often come, as is the case, it is not income from Bob Sadino to get insult, reprimand, and from his customer and even assistance from strength. Of course, from the challenge they faced, Bob Sadino and his wife continue to improve the quality of their business, both in terms of merchandise and service. Entering the vegetable business. From the increasing sales of chicken eggs, Bob Sadino developed his business through the vegetable business. Bob Sadino again saw the opportunity that existed in his business to develop foreign vegetables and fruits that did not yet exist in Indonesia. Then Bob Sadino introduced introduced sweet corn, melon, and broccoli, the business that was run the increased drastically, resulting in change in Bob Sadino, who initially had a feudal personality from his business to turn into a personal servant, where the business run by Bob Sadino has penetrated in an agribusiness, namely horticulture, where the management of vegetable gardens is an intended for consumption by folk in Indonesia. Meanwhile, at the time, the cultivation system implemented by Bob Sadino had not yet been implemented. Then, from this business concept, Bob Sadino decided to collaborate with local farmers to develop a business called Camp Farm. His business concept that is constantly improving make Bob Sadino decide to open a company in this form of a supermarket called and Camp Chick, owner of Camp Chick supermarket. In 1917, in 1970, Camchick was founded by Bob Sadino, where Camchick is a supermarket that provides various kinds of imported from food product for the people of Jakarta. The supermarket owned by Bob Sadino is located on Jalan Kemang Raya, number 3 until 5 South Jakarta. With the opening of this supermarket, the business grew, which 5 years later, Bob Sadino took advantage of the opportunity from increasing demand of sourced meat by establishing a company called Camp Food, which was founded in 1975, where Camp Food is the pioneer of the processed meat industry in Indonesia. The mainstay products from Camp Food are burger, meatballs, nuggets, and other processed meat. It was recorded as a successful company in 1985, where its average sales continue to consistently rank from 40 until 50 tons of fresh meat, 60 until 70 tons of processed meat, and 100 tons of vegetable. That is all for me. Thank you. See you guys.